Kikubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ulat kejela Satyapal Malik akasingi balang loyok priang ya ketika banyada nagajingpang COVID kat kendai. Ulat ulalit Ganesh Das Hospital nagabenta bansyam ya ketika Covishield. Laban kedau bahadien balaai Tika ginong tray kokot kakia bat kitu gi badan hakmat banyakun persya ya kaklam ke sorkar kala sedang banai Tika sai ginong syong shnong gi belakam san hakerta. Hadien bula syim ya ketika ke baningkong akasingi balang ulat uhab banyok biang sai gawe pat ketika hadien arpaprasengi.
I'm proud, I'm feeling proud that I'm having vaccination made in India. And our scientists have done wonderful job. We are giving it to several other countries and I'm feeling very safe after this.
What is your message to the public regarding COVID?
Everybody should, who's fit in the criteria should have it. There is no reason to fear or doubt.
So we understand that the phase now is for the elderly people. So what would you like to say to the elderly people here in the state?
I'll tell them they should not waste even a day. Come and according to your number and have it. I was very much afraid of seeing the size of the needle, but when it went off very well, I could not feel something has happened to me.
Okay.
The staff is very efficient, all these people are very courteous and nice and I'm feeling good.
Staff, are they also being...
My personal assistant is, जो मेरे साथ रहता है, he is also.
Okay, thank you sir.